Welcome to 8601 Wheeling Drive right here in Raleigh, North Carolina in the beautiful Allison Pond neighborhood. I actually want to start where this house begins. That's actually the backyard. Let's go check it out. Check out these amazing views. Can't you just picture yourself enjoying your morning cup of coffee? Maybe even lunch? Or how about an evening cocktail right here by this beautiful neighborhood pond? My next favorite feature of this home is this bright open kitchen. It has Corian countertops, updated appliances, glass backsplash, and also this stainless steel refrigerator conveys with the home.